Are monitoring cabinets easily opened without authorization? Is the unlocking operation complicated? With the advancement of smart city development, monitoring equipment is increasingly important in public security, and demand continues to grow. How to effectively and efficiently manage these cabinets and ensure the safety of video surveillance equipment has become a key challenge for operation and maintenance departments. Yeeka 1516 series electronic lock features lock cylinder protection, integrated design, anti-copy key design, and an IP65 protection rating. IP65 and UL94V0 dual protection ensure high durability and reliable performance, even under extreme weather conditions, suitable for smart monitoring cabinets, communication enclosures, and small equipment cabinets. 3 convenient unlocking methods. DO, low-level signal, remote unlocking. RS485 remote unlocking. Mechanical key unlocking.